That's why I don't go to church, because there's so many hypocrites in the church. Well, if you're so holy, maybe you can come and help us. Never mind, all they do is ask for money. That's why I don't go to church, because when you go to church, all they do is ask for money. Well, if you gave freely, they wouldn't have to ask for it. When Beyonce comes to town and tickets are $500 a piece, she don't have to ask for it. You standing in line to give it. If you're a child of God, you ought to go to church. Never mind, I ain't got nothing to wear. That used to be a real thing. That used to be. Back in the day, you had to dress up to go to church. Lord have mercy. Nowadays, we don't know where people going when they come to church. Amen. Whatever you wear, wear it here. You have no excuse that you can't come to church. Can't find no parking space. Not now. And plus, if you leave early, there'll be a space when you get here. If you're a child of God, you ought to go to church.